Hello everybody, it's me, Dominique, and we're here with Diane.
Hi everyone.
And today we're talking about stress-busting techniques. So Diane is going to lead you in a beautiful HeartMath technique that's really designed to beat stress, to beat tension, and to align your heart and your mind. So if you've been feeling really scattered, mentally scattered, overwhelmed, this is a really helpful practice for you. But before we begin, we're just going to start with a little grounding to help us get centered. So I'm just going to ask you to be seated, or you could be laying down. Just make sure that your feet or your body is touching the ground, okay? And we're just going to begin by bringing our focus, feeling the floor or the ground beneath us or the chair beneath us. And we're just going to take a few deep breaths in through our nose and exhale out our mouth. So breathe in and exhale. And one more time, breathe in and exhale. Just stand here for a moment, feeling secure, rooted, grounded. And when you're ready, you can blink your eyes open as Diane will lead you into this beautiful technique.
So everyone, we're going to continue with those breaths, but now I'm just going to ask you to actually take your right hand and place it over near your heart. And the reason we do this is because in this particular technique, we want to actually make contact with the heart. Because wherever you make contact in your body is where your attention goes. So we're going to try and do this. This is actually a technique you can do anywhere, pretty much at any time. And it's to help balance your energies. It's if you're feeling that you're a little bit depressed or you're anxious, it's a wonderful time to do it. But you can do it while you're driving, you can do it in line at the grocery store, and you can do it with your eyes open. But for today, because we're beginners at this, we're going to actually keep our eyes closed because the concentration works much better that way. So let's again continue with the breathing, and we're going to take a few deep breaths in. We're going to actually exhale a little bit longer than we inhale, okay? So we're going to take 3 more breaths in to the count of 4, and see if you can exhale to the count of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, in. Through the nostrils, hold it a split second, and then exhale, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now when you do your breath, what I want you to do is actually think of a pleasant thing, a person, a place, a thing, a noun, if you will, or a situation, something that makes you feel really, really good. And I want you to hold that thought in your imagination. So keep your eyes closed. It can be a beautiful place. It can be something wonderful that's happened to you. It can be a loved one, a pet, anything that makes you feel really, really good. Hold that thought. And then with that thought, I want you to breathe again, and I want you to let the breath out through your heart. Remember, you're touching your heart. You want to let the breath out through your heart. Keep the wonderful thought in your mind's third eye. Again, breathe out. Now, I want you to take that thought and I want you to bring it down into your heart and feel the emotion, the wonderful emotion that connects with it. It can be a feeling of peace, a feeling of love, harmony, whatever that feeling is, bring it down and exhale through the heart. You're exhaling through the heart. Imagine that beautiful white light coming out through your heart with that breath. So take that thought, connect it with that great feeling, and bring it out. Hold that thought for just a few more moments. Keep thinking the thought and breathe the emotion out through your heart. And this should feel really, really good. One more time, in. Let that wonderful feeling out through your heart. Again, hold it for just a moment. And when you're ready, you can open you can make this longer when you're doing it yourself. We're just speeding that up a little bit for, the time purpose here. But this is a great exercise for you to do whenever you feel stressed or whenever you just want to feel balanced. So thank you very much for joining us again, and Dominique and I will see you very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.